Um, yeah, so this tutorial is on Bootstrap. Bootstrap is a free CSS library that improves your web page and gives it a super modern look. So today I'm going to be showing you the ropes and basics, and I hope you enjoy. So the first thing we want to do is go to cdnjs.com/library/bootstrap. You'll see the top one, bootstrap.min.js. Don't copy the script tag. Go to the fourth one down here, which is the one with bootstrap.min.css. Copy the link tag there. I'm gonna use CodePen for this, but whichever editor you're using, just paste it in. Then you can copy the script tag and put it in. And now you're all set. So you can X out of there, and now let's dive deep into this tutorial. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the most basic thing, text. So let's open a new span element, and we'll say class equals text, and we'll just say set its text to text, and then then the next thing we're going to learn is Bootstrap Color. So there are quite a few different colors. So the first one is Danger. Danger is red. As you can see, the text is now red. Next, we have Warning. Warning is yellow. Well, yellowish orange. As you can see, we have it right here. Next we have, so the class is text dash danger or whatever color it is. Then we have success, text dash success, which is green. Text dash info, text dash primary, which is another blue, like a better blue. I'm just gonna make this bold so you can see better. Font weight, bold. Yeah. So after primary, we can do, I don't know, mute text white, which is basically white text. And yeah, if you like, yeah, as you can see, it's white. Text light, you can like just barely see it. Like if you look closely, you can just barely see it there. Text secondary, oh no, wait, yeah, text secondary, that's gray, and then text muted is another shade of gray. Yeah, so it looks pretty much the same. Anyway, then finally text dark. So those are all the Bootstrap colors. So I have to wrap this up quick. This is going to be a quick tutorial. So other classes are M2, which gives it a margin of 2 or something, 20 or something. I forget, a margin of something. It gives, the higher it is, the more margin it is, but there's a limit. I think it's like around M5. That's the limit. Oh wait, there's more. Yeah, so it goes up till from M1. It goes from M1 to M5, and then you can't go past that. I also believe there's P1. We'll give this thing a border of to like give you the thing. So without this part, we have that, and then if we add P1, that's padding of 1, then padding 2. Once again, it goes all the way up to 5, and then you can't go past that. padding 50, I think. That's what the value is. Anyway, so that's that done. Then we have buttons. So the classes are. So I'm going to make this a button. So when the class is BTN, and then you can go BTN, and then whatever color, danger. You can put danger. Primary, which all those colors I just showed you, except muted, because muted um take muted is only for text. So that's buttons done. Now we'll move into badges. So we'll create like a span, and then the class we give it is badge. So I'll make this a badge. So it'll have that text font, and then we can give it whatever color. I'm going to go with warning for now. So as you can see, it looks like a badge, and we can also put a badge pill to make it circular. So that's badge is done. You can put whatever color except muted. Muted is only for text. So that's that done. Next, we'll go with custom nav bars. It looks pretty cool. So instead of nav, I'm going to use UL, and then link. Wait, okay. Yeah. So I'm going to put the Emmet abbreviation thing. So that's how it'll look. But now, if we give the UL a class of nav and nav tabs, it'll look like that. But that still looks kind of yucky. So let's give each UL a class of nav item, nav, and nav link. I'm going to copy these. So as you can see, now we have a nav bar. But let's take it one step even further. Oops. Let's take this second one and give it the class active. As you can see, now this one, it looks like this is the current tab, active. So that's custom navigation bars done. I believe you may be let's just try this. I'm not sure about this. I don't think this will. Yeah, it didn't work. So I guess you can't use colors on navigation bars. Now let's move into tables. So we have an ordinary table. Let's put the basic stuff. We'll say name, first name, last name. Pretty simple. What do you mean unexpected character? Yeah, see, there's no unexpected character. So it'll look kind of boring at first, but watch the magic with Bootstrap. So we'll put the first row, John Doe, and we'll put the second row, new row, first name Dark, last name Shadow, and now it looks kind of stupid. It's true, it looks kind of stupid, but now thanks to Bootstrap, just give it the class table and it looks so much better. Like, what's this? This, thanks to Bootstrap, it turns just with one simple class, it turns into this. Then we can add in a ton of effects. For example, um, table striped. Now it's like alternating in color and it looks like stripes. Table hover. So now, if you hover over them, it doesn't work on these, but it works on these. And of course, you can put a color on it. My favorite is table dark because I'm dark shadow and all. But so it's super cool. You can put all the other colors except muted. So that's tables done. Finally, I'll go over cards. So it's pretty simple. All you have to do is create a div with a div element with the class card, or then create another div with the class card head, and then and then you can create like an h1 with the class card header, and we'll make it say John Doe, and then you just put in a div with the class card body, and we'll give it a description, and we'll say lorem, and we'll give it the lorem text. And now, as you can see, we have a card. We can also, I'm going to get anonymous user icon. Yeah, this is what I was looking for. Let's wait for it to load. Yeah, okay. Copy image address, and we'll say, and then we can create an img with the class card img, and we'll remove the alt and just put in that URL. And now, okay, that's not supposed to happen. Well, it may be supposed to happen, but it's like way too big. Of course, you can resize and all, so I'll just say with this, we want to tone down the height, so I'll say height is 50 pixels, width is auto. What did I just type there? Yeah, 50 pixels. What? Important. Yes, okay. Just took a little bit of persuasion. Auto? Yeah, that does the same thing. So I'm going to make it a bit bigger, just 4 times bigger. Okay, much better. So that's how you make a card. Very simple. So yeah, Bootstrap is an amazing library and it lets you do so many things. Like, I only showed you the basics, but there's other stuff. For example, modal boxes and others. So I look forward to seeing your own Bootstrap projects in the comments down below. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a notification or a video. Um, So dark shadow out.